Peace, everybody, YouTubers, sneakerheads, non-sneakerheads. Today we're going to be looking at the Kobe 5 Protro. This is the last official, well, sort of the last official sneaker that was released while Bryant was still here. I've never actually got a chance to play in these, so let's just get right to the unboxing. This pair came from StockX. If you're unfamiliar with StockX, that's when someone owns the shoes at home and then somebody buys them or bids on their website, and they send them to StockX, they verify them, and they send them to you. So here's the box. Again, these are the Kobe 5 Protro. Protro meaning performance retro. They retooled these, but they're a little controversial how they did the zoom, which I'll talk about a little later. Again, these came from StockX. Never mind how much I paid for them. That's not the point of the video. Here we go. I love this colorway. I actually was oblivious to this colorway, and when these came out, I don't think I was actively playing basketball indoors yet. I was playing outside, so I would never wear a shoe like this outside. Anyway, these originally released in December 25, 2009. I'm thinking they went for maybe about 150 bucks. This particular pair goes for $175. They were almost right on time as far as a 10-year annual anniversary release. They didn't release on the 25th. It was closer to January 3rd. The colorway is considered the Joker or a chaos theme, and it's also considered to be like an energy type of colorway. StockX is also saying that the shoe's name was inspired by The Dark Knight and the Joker's character in that film. As you can see, there's some type of faux blood splatter right there on the heel, right on top of the signature, a little eerie. But again, these are beautiful sneakers. The other colorways that they have are really nice too, but it's going to be really hard getting them, being that Kobe has passed. There's rumored another pair to be coming out sometime in March, but we'll have to see. As far as the box, is really nothing special. You have plain tissue paper inside. It's all black, and there's really nothing else spectacular about the box. The colorway is white cyber dark gray, which is a little weird because it's more than cyber dark and gray, but whatever. Before the Kobe 5 was the Kobe 4, and this was their first attempt at making a sort of a low top sneaker. Before that was the 3, and that's not anything close to a low top sneaker. When he made the Kobe 5, he had a few different ideas. He wanted to go even lower, and this is what he said about it.
The saying of basketball players can't play in low-cut shoes. But if you watch a soccer player who has twice as much torque on his ankle as we do, they're able to manage just fine.
You know, that's funny Kobe just says that, because back in 2009, I was actually playing soccer and basketball wearing these and these. And when I went back to basketball, I actually always wanted something that was lower like these Mercurials here, which he actually went on to make Kobe Mercurials that look like this. That's the Kobe 11 Mamba Mercurial, which was great. Here's the Kobe 11 Barcelona, and to the far left is the Kobe 8 Mamba Mercurial again, and these were awesome. Right now, of course, they're super rare, and notice the check on the toe box, similar to the cleats. So he definitely started to integrate the basketball and the soccer cleats further down the line. So right there on the tippy toe of the shoe, you got a 24. On the other one, it actually has a KB. Right there on the heel, you see it says Nike Zoom, but there is actually no zoom pocket in the heel, only right there under the forefoot. If you take a look at this picture released from Nike, you can see it says 100% bigger zoom unit in the forefoot, and there's nothing indicating there's anything in the heel. Sort of making this now like a Kobe Kyrie prototype hybrid sneaker, which again I love. I love the Kyrie's cushion in the heel. It's like a lunar type of foam, which is actually really soft and responsive at the same time. Right there is the Kobe code, which we really don't know what it says. The bottom traction is supposed to mimic a electrocardiography or ECG or EKG. And the traction on this thing is just amazing. I love it. It's one of the best ever. It's got the carbon fiber plate there, similar to the Jordan 11 that brought that to life, which makes it very responsive and keeps the shoe very light. Right underneath is where the zoom bag would be, and I'm assuming that reddish colorway is representing the heart, as Kobe wanted that implemented in the sneaker. The shoelaces have this maroonish, reddish, python, snakish type of look. I think they're super dope. They really make the shoe pop. They kind of give it that multicolor feel. The laces are really durable. They never come undone when you're playing. You also have the energy neon greenish yellow Kobe symbol there, which represents the mamba snake.
Coming straight towards me. Whoa!
The insides have a 2 on the left and a 4 on the right. And there's also some more Kobe code inside there. I did not want to pull out the insoles. 1, because they were brand new in this video. And 2, I tried to pull them out, but there's some glue underneath. And again, I just didn't want to pull them out. So you can see it. There's a 224. You know what that means. After the Kobe 6 and 7, he went even lower, or about as low. To me right there, that looks lower. And with the Kobe 8, by the way, this is an ID pair that I made back in the day. I'm so glad I did at this point. And it's actually kind of interesting that I made my own energy colorway, not even being aware of the Joker or Chaos colorway right above it. And if you look at the bottom, they use more of a pythonish snake pattern on the 8. But I just wanted to show you they went even lower with this sneaker here. Really wish Nike would let you ID Kobe's again, but it's probably a little too early for that. The 8 actually came with drop-in soles, which were Lunarlon, or you can get them with Zoom in them, which you can still kind of find on eBay to this day, which is really pricey. After the low 8, they bulked up the 9 a little bit, made it a bit more cushier, but still kept it low. Then the 10 was a departure from the low. I had that exact pair, and it wasn't really that great for me. And they went and made another low top pair because I don't think people like the high top 10, so they made this pair, which is actually another Mamba Curio pair. I'd love to have those. Then here comes the 11, which was my favorite until I got these 5s, and I'm probably only saying that because I just got these 5s. But the 11 is amazing. It's still really low, but it's more cushy, more durable. The traction is amazing. I mean, they're great sneakers. So let's go ahead and get into the on-feet performance review part of it. Instead of doing the traditional on-feet, went up to 24-hour fitness late night, got on the court, and wanted to do like a performance review type of on-feet at the same time. So here's what these shoes to me, they look great in a casual setting. If you were to rock these with maybe some joggers or some sweatpants like you see here, you know, it'd be pretty dope. I went around and jumped. I shot a bunch of shots. I ran. I tried to beat these things up as much as I could. They are extremely comfortable, and they have like sort of a lockdown feel. Like the tongue is really puffy on the inside, and the shoe, it runs true to size, but it almost feels too small because they are so snug and tight, which I actually really like in a basketball shoe. The Kobe 8 was my favorite because of that, but the tongue doesn't get in the way on these 5s. It's such a beautiful performance sneaker. I did a lot of herky-jerky, cutting left and right, dribbles, sharp turns, just to see how responsive they were on the court, and they are amazing. And I'm not just saying that. I mean, these are really great shoes. Now I see why Anthony Davis plays in them every single game, so I really hope they bring out another pair of these in March, because I will definitely be first in line, and maybe I'll start playing on these in a real setting, like at the gym. And I just don't want to get them dirty. I don't want to scratch them up. They're such a beautiful sneaker, but they perform so well. Like, look at these cuts I'm doing. Like, I'm trying to slide, and I can't even slide in these shoes. Shooting jump shots was just a breeze. They feel responsive. You don't feel like they're dead under you. Of course, they're brand new, but I mean, they got me feeling like Kobe right now. I mean, I didn't even wipe these off. A couple times I wiped them off with my hand, but I didn't put anything wet on them. And there's no sneaker squeaking, which is kind of a little strange, because in the 11s, they squeak all the time, which I thought was just a good basketball traction type of thing. To me, these are a 10 out of 10 as far as traction, style. I'm not sure about durability. I've watched some other videos, and they said that people were busting out of the sides of them just a little bit, but still playing them because they're such a great shoe. They didn't make me jump any higher, being that I really can't jump anyway, but I highly recommend them. I'm praying that they release these again. Thanks for watching, guys. It was fun making this video, even though I did go to the gym like at 2 in the morning. It was totally worth it. Wanted to bring a little different flavor to the video with the performance. So if you like it, thumbs up. If not, thumbs up. But I'm out. Peace out, guys. Take care. And by the next video, I should have some Kobe 4s. Hopefully. Peace.